right, these bolts are really stuck.
Careful with that impact gun, don't strip them.
Got it loose. Pass me that rag.
Here's the new setup, it's beautiful.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Time to install the upgraded LEDs. Nice fit. Now for the power.
The front splitter is gonna look aggressive. Check the fitment here, perfect. Lower it down. Looks perfect. Yeah, flawless.
Keep your eyes on the road. I won't let you pass me. Watch and learn.
It was just a stock black sedan at first.
Yeah.
But I had a vision, you know?
Yeah.
Countless hours, sweat, money. It wasn't just building a car, it was building something of my own.
Head tuner, Jamie Carter. Lead mechanic, Omar Khan. Technical advisor, Dr. Eleanor Vance. Built by Velocity Performance Team.